welcome back to the channel. So right now I am heading to Colorado N5X, his shop, and we are going to be what a lot of you guys did not expect. We're going to be tuning the car right now with MHD. Reason being, because I know I said I wanted to tune it this summer. Well, I have catless downpipes on it, so I want to get rid of the check engine light and also just protect my turbos, so I don't want to drive on the car with catless downpipes for too long without having a tune on it. So yeah, we're going to do that in this video, so we'll see where we go next. So we just got to his shop, so we're going to head out and start tuning the M4. Okay, so we just got the car in the shop. So he's grabbing the Beamer Sense adapter right now so we can start plugging everything in to start the tune. Just a quick, I've already shown you guys the shop, but just a quick look around. There's his, again, his famous M3. So, all right, we'll get started.
Settings.
Oops. All right, guys, so we're in the car right now. Just purchased the Super License pack, so we're gonna get ready and start tuning it. So we'll probably won't be able to film it because I'm using my phone to tune it, but I'll see you guys afterwards. All right, guys, so we just finished flashing my car, so we'll talk about that in a second. But real quick, since I'm looking at exhaust setups, we're gonna listen to his. Wow, that actually sounds really good.
Sounds really good. And I go with what I've seen already, so.
Okay.
If this setup works, why not? So, I don't want to try with any other setup.
No, honestly, I'm pretty sold on that setup right now. That's like the perfect, it's like, it's not obnoxious, but it definitely like really opens up the sound of the car.
Like I said, I've heard a lot of setups on the S55, and regardless, S55 is twin turbo.
Yeah.
So it's really hard to really get a good sounding car out of a twin setup.
Okay, guys, so I'm actually back home now in the garage. Brian and I were just talking for about 20 minutes about a bunch of stuff about his channel and what he's doing with his whole brand. So really cool guy. You guys really need to check out his Instagram or YouTube. I got a sticker, it's backwards, but it's Colorado N5X. Give him a follow, a subscription. He just helped me tune the M4, so wasn't able to film too much after that. So it's the next day because last night I tuned it and it was late, so I just came home. Didn't really drive the car too hard. So today we're gonna see what the tune feels like. I'm actually gonna let it rip. I'm gonna do some exhaust burbles because I did that on my 435 and it sounded pretty cool. Some people don't like it, but I want to hear what it sounds like on this car. So yeah, let's see what this tune feels like. This is what I use to flash it. This is the fastest plug-in right here to tune your car right now. It tunes it, like the first tune was like 3 to 5 minutes, but it takes, not even kidding, like 60 seconds to tune it with this thing. So really quick. So right now we're gonna throw it into sport mode and let's go to our gauges, our sport displays, and you can see that it bumps up the numbers. Obviously those aren't like accurate, but it's still pretty cool that it does that. Okay, so let's give it a quick rev and see what the burbles sound like. Oh my gosh, you could feel that in your seat. That is intense. So I put them on their most aggressive setting. And it's really, really aggressive. That is crazy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take the car for a drive. You guys have to sit down there because I have no way of mounting my camera. But let's crack the windows and see what this this tune feels like. I'm excited. Been waiting for this for such a long time. Those pops are immediately coming out. It's definitely, the throttle feels like it has more response. Let's see, we got to take it on a big open road. Oh! Wow, okay. So this car was already really quick, just stock. And now you feel it. The tires are just spinning though. You guys knocked down. This is so hard to keep a camera. People are looking everywhere in this neighborhood. Everybody's looking. It's just making so much noise. We're like driving next to a park. Those pops are too loud. No way, this thing is insane. Oh. This thing's gonna get me in trouble. This thing is fast. And this isn't even like a custom tune. This is just like... Wow. Where did my sunglasses go? Let's see. This thing is no slouch now. This is insane. So right off the bat, the car feels way quicker. Definitely the wheels are spinning. Sorry, the sun is so bright. Yeah, the throttle response, excuse me, feels better. Everything just feels more responsive and quick on this car now. I just can't express how fast it is with the tune. Perfect, thank you. You already know, we had to get our Starbucks because I haven't had coffee today, so I need it. But driving through the Starbucks drive-through, it like lit off a big pop. And these people sitting at the table next to it, like just their face and reaction is so funny. People just don't know how to react to the car when it sounds like this. Okay, we're gonna do a quick pull. No way. I'm not even exaggerating. This thing is so much faster. It's so loud. Wow. I'm gonna set the camera down and do a quick drive-by for you guys. These marks are still here from me from like 2 months ago when I filmed the catless downpipes video. That's so funny. All right, we're gonna do one quick last pull and that's gonna be enough, and then we're getting the crank hub installed. All right, let's see. Whoa. I just went sideways in that car. His eyes were like, oh shoot. I kind of went his direction. Okay, that is too much fun. I can't wait to get that crank hub done so I can rip on this car without having to worry about it so much. All right, we're back in the garage. That was so much fun. This car is crazy. Just, I feel bad for my neighbors upstairs. I should probably stop. So that's gonna end the video, guys. Such a fun car. Tuning these cars is insane. Like I can't even express it. You guys just gotta experience it for yourselves. But super excited about it. In a few days, we're actually sending this car over and the crank hub is getting installed. And that's gonna be a whole video of itself, so stay tuned for that. But I'll catch you guys in the next video, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.